again to your channel Ready Kid Foods, a channel of amazing videos. So guys, if you're new to this channel, please view my videos. If you love them, give them a like, share with your friends from other social media platforms, and remember also to press on to that notification bell so that whenever I post in videos, you'll be among the first people to receive my videos. Otherwise, for the returning subscribers, as usual, just like and comment. And then, so guys, today I'm back with another recipe. Still, guys, on mango recipe. Remember, guys, it's mango season, and Rebiki Foods is here to share with you on recipes that you can do using mango. So, guys, make proper use of these mangoes during this season. So, I've already done mango juice. I've done mango smoothies, different flavors. I've done mango cake. I've done mango ice cream. And guess what, guys? Today we are going to do mango milkshake recipe. So kindly walk with me, watch this video. Let's do it together. Dairy products. So here for dairy, I have you can use yogurt or this is yogurt, fresh milk, and whipped cream. I also have some vanilla, and I have mango vanilla ice cream and one mango. And also, when you're choosing mango, you have to choose sweet smelling ripe mango. Like this one now, guys. It has a very, very nice smell, so stay tuned. First of all, I'll start by cutting my mango. Then the mango puree, mango juice. So for the milkshake, we have different types of flavors. But this is mango season, and now we are just doing mango. Best smell for your milkshake. Make sure your mango is ripe. That's very mine. So guys, this is it. And what is not here is the mango, the ice cubes. So stay tuned. Ice cubes, because we have to serve it while chilled. Yeah? I'll start by blending my mangoes. Fresh milk, sugar, half cup. After sugar, we are going to put vanilla ice cream, mango ice cream. Add vanilla essence, just a tablespoon. Then after vanilla, then we are going to use fresh mango. Ice cubes. Yogurt. Then now we can blend. lubricate my glass or decorate my glass with some mango puree. So what I'm doing is just to put a little here. Milkshake, so I'm going to serve it. And when you're serving it, you have to. So this is my milkshake glass. So I have some mango puree here. So I'm going just to decorate or lubricate my glass with some mango. So this is just to get a little bit of mango puree. If it's mango, and then lubricate your glass. After that, now. So guys, you have to leave a space for the whipping cream. So here is my whipping cream. So make sure you put your whipping cream until it gets some cloud. Look at this here. So what I'm interested in is this papa. So we just take this part. This is my mango recipe. Kindly try it out. So tasty. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.